Aakhri Khat, last letter. And it was developed by a group called Jannat-e Manch Delhi. This play has a sort of own particular history, which is that Jannat-e Manch was traveling with the Freedom Theatre, which is actually a Palestinian theatre group from the Jenin refugee camp. And they had done a bilingual production. They were traveling all through India in the months of January. January 16th, as part of that tour, they land in Hyderabad. And they go to, the first show on January 16th was at a local mohalla. And you know, the local office there, the SFI office, the Students' Federation office, they see a pamphlet. And this is a pamphlet which sort of is in the local office. It talks about the suspension of 5 Dalit students and sort of the organizing around it, right? And then their show on January 17th gets cancelled. This was supposed to be at Hyderabad University. They still don't know very many details, but they know that this was because of a student who committed suicide. And then by January 18th, they were leaving. The details of sort of Rohit Vemula's suicide, the larger issues that comes forward. So Jannat-e Manch was there. They have a very interestingly, and I asked them a lot about this. I said, "What was Hyderabad like?" They said, "Actually, you know, Hyderabad was like every day. Hyderabad, except Gachibowli and except the areas around the university. That's when people were already starting to mobilize and take to the streets. But the broader Hyderabad city, at the moment at least, wasn't very much affected. Right? So Jannat-e Manch finishes their tour. They're writing this play when the JNU events happen. So in the first week of that, they do the first iteration of this play was at the ad block, the administration block at JNU. And subsequently, we have done it once here at Union Square while they were simultaneously doing it in Delhi at their space, Studio Safar. And as with Jannat-e Manch, they will keep performing this play, right? But what's interesting here, again, is all of this, all of what you're going to hear is either poetry, which you have copies of, translated. And by the way, it's even though the transcript is in Hindi, some of the plays are by Kannada poets, right? And so they were translated into Hindi, and then Aftab Ahmed here, a professor at the Urdu department, translated it into English when we were about to do this. But this is broadly sort of a selection of Dalit writers that they used in the play. And everything else is public record, right? It's correspondence that just exists.
I always wanted to be a writer of science like Carl Sagan. At last, this is the only letter I'm getting to write. For one last time, Jai Bhim. I forgot to write the formalities. No one is responsible for this my act of killing myself.
ओ मृत्यु तुम चली आओ दौड़ती हुई इस सपाट रास्ते पर मुझे चंद कदम दूर उस बरगद के नीचे जहां मेरी सरेआम अपनी पुरखों ही की तरह प्रताड़ित किया गया थोड़ा रुको तुम वहां थक गई होगी दौड़ते भागते फिर मेरी प्रताड़ना का एहसास करो यदि हो जाए तुम्हें इसका थोड़ा भी ज्ञान तो जब चाहो उसी वेग से दौड़ती चली आना मेरे पास.
Letter from Rohit Vemula, 18th December 2015, to the Vice Chancellor, Hyderabad Central University. Subject: Solution for Dalit Problem.
Sir, by seeing your commitment, I am tempted to give 2 suggestions. First, please serve 10 milligrams sodium azide to all the Dalit students at the time of admission, with direction to use when they feel like reading Ambedkar.
Second, supply a nice rope to all the rooms of all the Dalit students from your companion, the great Chief Warden.
As we, the scholars, PhD students, have already passed that stage and are already members of Dalit self-respect movements, and unfortunately, we are here left with no easy exit, it seems.
Hence, I request Your Highness to make preparations for the facility Euthanasia for students like me, and I wish you and the campus rest in peace forever.
Thanking you, yours sincerely, Vyamula R. Chakravarti.
Good morning. I would not be around when you read this letter. Don't get angry on me. I know some of you truly cared for me, loved me and treated me very well. I have no complaints on anyone. It was always with myself that I had problems.
जब भी मैंने किसी घने वृक्ष की छांव में बैठकर घड़ी भर सुस्ता लेना चाहा, मेरे कानों में भयानक चित्कारें गूंजने लगी, जैसे हर एक टहनी पर लटकी हो लाखों लाशें, जमीन पर पड़ा हो शंबूक का कटा सर। मैं उठकर भागना चाहता हूँ, शंबूक की सर मेरा रास्ता रोक लेता है, चीख चीख कर कहता है, युगों युगों से पेड़ पर लटका हूँ, बार बार राम ने मेरी हत्या की है। यहाँ गली गली में राम है, शंबूक है, द्रोण है, एकलव्य है, फिर भी सब खामोश है। शंबूक, तुम्हारा रक्त जमीन के अंदर समा गया है, जो किसी भी दिन फूट कर आएगा ज्वालामुखी बनकर।
I always wanted to be a writer of science like Carl Sagan. At last, this is the only letter I'm getting to write. I loved science, stars, nature, but then I loved people.
मुंह अंधेरे बुहारी गई सड़क में जो चमक है, वो मैं हूँ। कुशल हाथों से तराशे खिलौने देखकर पुलकित होते बच्चों के चेहरे पर जो चमक है, वो मैं हूँ। खेत की माटी में उगते अन्न की खुशबू, वो मैं हूँ। जिस झाड़ पोंछकर भेज देते हैं वे, उनके घरों में भूलकर अपने घरों के भूखे बिलबिलाते बच्चों का रुदन में जो भूख है, वो मैं हूँ। पेड़ों में नदी का जल, धूप हवा में श्रमिक शोषित गंध, बाढ़ में बह गई झोपड़ी का दर्द, सूखे में दरकती धरती का बाझपन, वो मैं हूँ, सिर्फ मैं हूँ।
I loved science, stars, nature, but then I loved people. Without knowing that people have long since divorced from nature. Our feelings are second-handed. Our love is constructed, our beliefs colored. Our originality is valid through artificial art. It has become truly difficult to love without getting hurt.
Letter from the Minister of State, Bandaru Dattraya, 17th August 2015.
Dear Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani ji, Hyderabad University, a central university in the recent past, has become a den of casteist, extremist and anti-national politics. This could be visualized from the fact that when Yaqub Memon was hanged, a member of the dominant students' union, Ambedkar Students Association, held protests against the execution. When Shri Sushil Kumar, President ABVP, in the campus protested against this, he was manhandled. And madam, what is more tragic is that the university administration has become a mute spectator to these events. Madam, I earnestly hope under your dynamic leadership, things would change in this campus for the better. Yours sincerely, Bandadru Dattatreya.
3rd September 2015.
It is requested that issues raised by Honorable Minister of State may kindly be examined.
24th September 2015.
It is requested that the same may kindly be expedited to enable the Ministry to reply to Minister of State.
20th October 2015.
I would appreciate if you could kindly look into the matter personally and get the facts provided at the earliest to enable the Ministry to supply a reply to the Minister of State.
19th November 2015.
It is therefore requested that the same may kindly be expedited to enable the Ministry to reply to the Minister of State. Yours faithfully, Under Secretary, Government of India.
The value of a man was reduced to his immediate identity and nearest possibility, to a vote, to a number, to a thing. Never was a man treated as a mind, as a glorious thing made up of stardust, in every field, in studies, in streets, in politics, in living and dying. I am writing this kind of letter for the first time, my first time of a final letter. Forgive me if I fail to